Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this session will be on how to generate certificate using Google add-on known as Autocrat. So before starting, let me first clarify you that unlike other Google add-ons such as Certify-M, which you can directly connect with your Google Forms, today's add-on that we are going to discuss, that is the Autocrat, it works only on Excel sheets and it does not work on Google Forms directly. So the usefulness of using Autocrat is that the certificate created by Autocrat do not have any watermark, so it looks very professional to use. Let me first tell you what are the prerequisites of using Autocrat. The first and foremost prerequisite is you need to have a Google form, and the second one is you need to have a certificate template which you want to use as a certificate in the form of Google Doc. So now let me show you the process. So this is a Google form which I have created for the feedback form for a webinar. So your Google form can be anything. It can be on online quiz. It can be on any other activity and for which you want to create your certificate. So I'm going to generate certificate for a webinar. So this is the Google form. So it includes the name of the participant, designation, and institute name, and then the rating of the person and suggestion. So I have not included suggestion as a compulsory, and the rest I have included as a compulsory one. So it can be anything according to your wish. So now this was the first prerequisite that you need to have, and the second prerequisite is you need to have a certificate template which you are going to use in your Google Doc. So this is my certificate template which I'm going to use. So you can see here that you need to give the name in this form. So here is the name of the student and then designation and institution name. So these three will be included in the certificate. Therefore, I have included the name here, the full name, the designation, and the institution name. So these three will be included in the certificate. Now you have to go to here. After that, you need to go here in the response. So after going to the response, you need to create a spreadsheet for this response. So I'm going to create now, create a new spreadsheet. So here you can see only one person has given the response. So now how you're going to create a automatic certificate using Autocrat. So for that you need to go to the add-on here. After going to the add-on, if you don't have Autocrat, then you need to first download it. So here you need to go to the get add-on section. So here you can see Autocrat is automatically showing in my first page. So I'm not going to type here manually again. So I will just click here. So after clicking that Autocrat, you need to install it. Click to install and then continue. After that, it will be showing one page where you need to confirm your Google account. And after confirming, you need to click on the allow button in the below. After clicking to the allow button, just click on done button. After that, you go back to your Google spreadsheet and then go to add-on section. Here you can see Autocrat is already here. So just go to open. If you have never used the Autocrat before, then this page will be shown like new job. So here you need to type in new job. After that, I'm going to write the name of the job, that is certificate for webinar. After that, just go to next. So here you have to choose the certificate that you want to give to your respondent. So click from drive section here. After that, you need to choose the certificate. So I'm going to choose this one since this is my certificate template that I'm going to use. So after choosing, just go to select. After that, now it is showing here. So you need to go to next. After going to next, this will be shown here. Here you need to match the column with the correct field. So here, since it is the name of the student, so I'm going to select full name here. And here again, it is showing designation here. So you need to match it with the designation. Again, it's showing institution name. So you need to match it with the institution name. So make sure that these are correct and matching with each other. Don't choose the wrong option here. Be very careful while choosing this. So now go to next. After that, you can name the file. So I will just write certificate for webinar. Now here you need to choose the type of document that you want to give. Since it's a certificate, so it's better to give PDF. So after that, just go to next. After that, you need to choose your designation where you want to keep your certificates. So I will just choose the webinar here, select. After that, go to next. In this section, you don't need to choose anything. This is not required. Go to next. After that, you can skip this step as well. This is not mandatory. However, you can just use this also. If you click here, then you will see these two options here. Here, say suppose we are going to send the certificate using the email address. Therefore, it is important for us to have an email address. Therefore, I will just click here in the email address. It means that those email addresses that are incorrectly filled by the participant, they will not receive any certificate. Now just go to next. After that, here is asking share doc and send emails. So yes, we will go to yes. After that, it's asking to allow collaborators to reshare. So since it is a certificate, so we don't want them to reshare, so we will just go with no. And then here they are asking the address here. So here you need to type the email address. So for that, just click here in this button and then double click the email address and then click here again and paste it. So this will be automatically included here. After that, if you want to write the subject of the email, then you can write accordingly. So I'm going to write certificate for the national webinar. So here you can write a message for the recipient. So I'm just going to write hi, and again I'm going back here, and here I'm going to choose the full name. So for that I will just do double click and then come back here and then paste. So like for example, if the person name is AB, then it will be shown like hi AB. So I'm going to write a message like thank you for participating in the national webinar. Your certificate is shared below. So now after typing your message and the email address here, we can just go to next. So here in this section, run on form trigger. It means that as soon as the respondent fill up their feedback form, they will automatically receive a certificate. So I'm going to click yes. After that, I'm going to save it. So now you can preview it. It's loading. After it gets loaded, it will be showing here. So now you are done with it. So let us check it out if someone will receive a certificate automatically after filling this form or not. So for that, I'm just going to show you one demo. I have already shared the link for this feedback form in my another Gmail account. So I'm going to use it. So let us check it out if it's work or not. So now I'm going to fill my email address and name. I will just fill anything for now. And then I'm going to submit now. So let me check out if I have received any certificate or not. I'm just going to refresh my page. So here you can see that after just immediately filling the feedback form, I have already received my certificate here. So let us check it out how it looks like. So this is the certificate which I have used here. You can see this was the template, and here also this is the certificate that has been sent to the participant. So this is all for today, and I hope that after watching this video you will be able to generate your certificate using Google add-on known as Autocrat. And in case if this was helpful, then do let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching, and see you all in my next video.